Good morning, my lovely children. Wishing you a wonderful day. I am Prerna ma'am. Let's start today's session with a big smile. Yesterday, we have learned three new shapes: Pentagon, Hexagon and Octagon. Let's revise them once again. A figure with 5 straight sides is called Pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is a gift box. Gift box is a decorative box for putting gifts. It has 5 sides, so it is pentagon shaped gift box. This is a table. Table is a piece of furniture with a flat top. It provides level surface for eating and writing. It has 5 sides, so it is pentagon shaped table. A figure with 6 straight sides is called hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is a clock. It shows time. It has 6 sides, so it is hexagon shaped clock. This is bolt. Bolt is metal object which screws into a nut and used to fasten things together. It has 6 sides, so it is hexagon shaped bolt. This is a tile. Tile is a piece of baked clay used to cover a roof, floor or wall. It has 6 sides, so it is hexagon shaped tile. This is weight. It is a piece of metal used to weigh how heavy an object or quantity of a substance. It has 6 sides, so it is hexagon shaped weight. A figure with 8 straight sides is called octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is a trampoline. Trampoline is a piece of equipment on which you jump up and down as a sport. It has 8 sides, so it is octagon shaped trampoline. This is a traffic sign board. It shows stop sign. It has 8 sides, so it is octagon shaped signboard. Children, let's see the solutions of pages related to shapes. Children, yesterday I gave you some pages in your classwork book for tracing and coloring. First page is page number 13. I have traced these pentagons with red color and color them with the colors of my choice. Second page is page number 15. I have traced these hexagons with red color and colored them with brown color. Next page is page number 17. I have traced these octagons with red color and colored them with the colors of my choice. I hope you also did the same. Now it's time for activity. Today we will make pentagon, hexagon and octagon with earbuds. First we will make pentagon. For pentagon, we'll take one earbud and place it in a slanting position. Then we will take second earbud and place it in a slanting position. Then third earbud, we will also place it in a slanting position. Then fourth earbud, now we will place it in a sleeping position. Then fifth earbud, we will place it in a slanting position. How many sides we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 sides. Means this is a pentagon. Now we will make hexagon. For hexagon, we'll place first earbud in sleeping position. Then second earbud in slanting position. Third earbud, slanting position. Fourth earbud, sleeping position. Fifth earbud, slanting position. And sixth earbud, slanting position. How many sides we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 sides. It means this is a hexagon. Now we'll make octagon. For octagon, we will place first earbud in sleeping position. Then second earbud, slanting position. Third earbud, standing position. Fourth earbud, slanting position. Fifth earbud, sleeping position. Sixth earbud, slanting position. Seventh earbud, standing position. And eighth earbud, slanting position. Now we'll count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This figure has 8 sides. That means it is an octagon. Children, this is page number 2 of your homework book. Here you have to identify the shapes and match them with the given objects. First shape. First shape has 8 straight sides. That means it is an octagon. So we have to find an object which has 8 straight sides. Yes, it is mirror. So mirror is octagon in shape. So we will match this mirror with octagon shape. Now next shape. Next shape is of sphere. What is sphere in shape? Yes, basketball is sphere in shape. So we will match it with the sphere shape. Third shape. Third is cylinder shape. Gas cylinder has cylinder shape. So we will match it with the cylinder shape. Now fourth is prism. Which object has prism shape? Yes, camping tent has prism shape. So we will match this camping tent with prism shape. Now last shape. Last shape has 6 straight sides. That means it is hexagon. Which object has 6 straight sides? Yes, it's weight. Weight has 6 straight sides. So we will match it with hexagon. Hope you enjoyed today's session. See you soon. Bye-bye.